Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi all, today we'll be discussing on how to prepare plan of a duplex house in 3040 site. As it is a trend of duplex house is going on, especially in India. Okay, so we'll be having a plan in a 3040 site, that is exactly it is 9 meter by 12 meter site. Okay, here we have made another provision that one block is made for the rent purpose, that is in the first floor, whereas ground floor is purely of for owner, as well as half of the first floor is used as a part of house for a owner, and remaining portion, half portion, is kept for one block that is used for the rent purpose. Okay, here in this work, okay, in a 3040 site we have made two blocks. Okay, here you can see the ground floor plan. This is ground floor plan. In this, the parking, living room, dining, kitchen, bedroom, one puja room is there, along with attached that is bathroom and WC. Here in this ground floor, okay, we have kept proper parking space for sub 4 meter cars, that is 8 feet 3 inch by 13 feet 6 inch we have taken. This is the entrance. Okay, actually this is of south facing side. Here we have north facing. The road is in the direction of south facing. So this is the entrance of a home, and main door is kept towards east facing. This is living room of size of length 12 feet 5 inch and width 10 feet, and we have kept staircase. Okay, as I said, as I mentioned, it is a duplex house, so we have kept staircase inside itself. Okay, so here we have a dining hall which is of size 11 feet 11 inch by 9 feet 5 inch. Okay, along with that we have kitchen room of size 10 feet 1 inch by 8 feet 9 inch, and it is a puja room 5 feet 9 inch by 3 feet 6 inch, and we have bedroom which is connected to the dining, and kitchen which is connected to the dining, as well as the separate puja room we have taken. At this corner, this is north, south and east and west. Okay, northwest corner we have provided the bath and WC. So in the northeast corner we have drawn a bedroom. Okay, here we have a puja room. Okay, that is also in the northeast side itself, and southeast side we have made a kitchen. Next, the northwest side we have prepared, or we have done a hall. Now this is of as I said, this is east facing room. So here east facing, this is the entrance in the east facing direction. Okay, we have made a cabinet, TV cabinet here. Okay, along with the staircase in the interior. That means, okay, so we'll be treating it as a duplex. Okay, whereas in the first floor, okay, the bore, okay, before that we have made a bore provision. The offset we have kept for minimum 2 feet width we have kept for opening, along with the 5 inch thickness of compound. Here we have provided another staircase to access the first floor. Okay, that is mainly for second block. This is the first block for owner, second block is for the purpose of rent. Okay, here what we have done, in the first floor, whatever the staircase we have provided interior, that will be used, that is connected to a master bedroom for a owner. Okay, here you can see the master bedroom size is 10 feet 3 inch by 10 feet. Along with we have provided bath and WC. So we have provided another door in the master bedroom in the direction of east. So we have provided a balcony of size 9 feet 6 inch by 13 feet 3 inch. Okay, so this is the entrance of master bedroom. We have made the elevation also. Okay, the proper elevation is done, and whatever the staircase provided outside will be used by the people who stays in the second block. This is second block. Okay, this is second block. These are the parts of second block. Okay, whenever you enter, okay, this is in the direction of west. Main door is in the direction of west facing. The size of this living room is 11 feet 11 inch by 9 feet 3 inches. Okay, the small block is made mainly for the rent purpose, and kitchen is of 9 feet 9 inch by 12 feet, and the bedroom is of 9 feet 9 inch by 9 feet 3 inch, and we have kept the bathroom and WC attached, that is 4 feet 6 inch by 6 feet 9 inch. Okay, these are all the dimensions which we used. Okay, it is purely that is made in the side size 9 meter by 12 meter. Width of this site is 9 meter and length is 12 meter. Okay, within this we have provided a 2 BHK duplex house along with 1 BHK. The single block is for rent purpose. Okay, I think you understood how to prepare, and along with that we'll be discussing how to locate the columns in a building. Here what we have done, first we'll start with the, whenever you fix the columns, you must have both the drawings, that is ground floor as well as first floor. Here we should have the mirror images. Okay, we should if you want you can have the tracing papers also, so that you can fix the column locations. Here the ground floor is there. First I have prepared or marked a column here. Okay, at this position, first column we should check whether it is exactly at the position or whether it is projecting anywhere within the room or not. Okay, so first we'll mark one by one. Okay, later we'll check. Okay, so what we have done, okay, here I can provide the column here, but in the first floor you'll be getting main door, so I have avoided this position. Okay, later, okay, I may provide the column at this position, whereas here in this position we are getting the opening, so that's why even I avoided that position. So whenever you provide the columns, that should better hide in all the floors. Okay, we'll try to hide the columns in all the floors. So that is the main intention. Or otherwise you do one thing, okay, prepare both the plans, it is ground floor and first floor, and place a column in one floor, make a copy of that and place in another floor, so that, okay, if you got any congestion, easily you can move the column in. For example, you place the columns in first floor, later you copy to the ground floor, check whether the columns are in correct position or not. If not, okay, you change the position in the ground floor, later you copy only that column and place in another position, that is in the first floor. This is first floor drawing. Okay, whether it is okay, then that will be your final drawing for the column location. Okay, better to have the columns at a spacing of 10 to 15 feet in a room. Okay, even you can construct whole building using only 4 columns. Okay, that is quite easy also, but that may not be economical. Here the number of columns you take, please don't provide the columns with a less spacing. Okay, if you have the plan, different plans, that is ground floor and first floor plans, in that case you need to provide the columns in those positions also. Okay, so I think this will be our end of session. Okay, how exactly the plan to be done and how to locate the columns. Main thing is that the column should be located properly, so that it should not project in ground as well as first floor. Okay, anywhere you maximum you need to try, or you try to avoid the column projection in any of the rooms and nearby the openings. Okay, that will be the quite easy task. Okay, if you're not able to provide the column, if it is projected within the any of the room, okay, please avoid that column, transfer load somewhere else, okay, on some other columns. Okay, that will be fine. Okay, so here this will be the end of session. So we'll wind up this session, that is preparation of duplex plan in 3040 site. or 9 meter by 12 meter site. Actually it is 9 meter by 12 meter site. 30-40 it will be, 30-40 means hardly it is 5 to 6 inches dimensions will get less as compared from when you convert from meter to feet. Okay, so this will be the preparation of drawing for a site of size 30-40 in the south direction. Okay, I think you like the video. If you like the video, please press like button, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for upcoming technical videos. Thank you.